Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're cooking turkey. And by cooking turkey, what I mean is we're gonna smoke this on the Green Mountain Grill. Now, I was at Kroger, we got this on sale. It's a 14.2 pound bird at 47 cents a pound. And I paid just $6.67 for this. So let's see how this turkey turns out. Okay, so here's our butterball turkey. I got him thawing in the sink right now. And as I mentioned, 14.2 pounds at 47 cents a pound, and we paid just $6.67 for this. Woohoo! Just like the tag says. That's a great deal. So I've washed and rinsed the sink so that it's clean, and we're going to go ahead and unpackage this in the sink, and then we're going to rinse it down real good. We're going to take all the goodies from the inside that are stuffed inside of this thing, and we're going to take them out because we don't want to cook those on the grill in the packets. Then, after rinsing it inside and out real well, we're going to get it on a plate and we're going to dry it off, and then we'll season. Alright, so we have our turkey rinsed and dried. We're going to cover him with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to use some garlic powder, and we're going to use some poultry seasoning. So first thing we're going to do is flip this over on this side, and we'll get the olive oil on his backside first. And we just want to coat that real good. Now we're going to put some garlic powder on there. I got a little help today because I need 3 hands. We're just going to actually just leave that like that. Let's get a little bit of poultry seasoning on there. I'm just going to kind of spread this around just a little bit. We'll get his outside of his wings. Now we're going to flip him over. This is where we're going to leave him. And we'll finish getting some olive oil and seasoning on this side. We just want a good coat of olive oil here. And I'm going to leave his legs in here because otherwise this thing's going to open up as it cooks. And we might as well leave them bundled together tight as long as we can. Alright, so let's get some garlic powder on this side. Just want to kind of spread this around so it's not all gooped up here. And we're going to kind of rub it on the inside too. Season this thing all the way around here. Alright, we're going to let this set for about 30 minutes or so. Then we're going to get him on the grill. And we're going to cook, this is a 14-pound bird. Normally, they say cook turkey about 15 minutes per pound, so that's about a 3-hour cook. We're not going to go by time today. We're going to put a temperature probe in there, and we're going to cook him to 165 degrees. So that's all we want him at is 165. All right, our turkey's been sitting. We're going to put him on just like this. We're not tenting it today. We're not going to do that because I want this skin to get real crispy. I am cooking him on a rack right here because I want to make sure all the smoke and the heat gets all the way around. That way every part of this turkey gets nice and smoky. And we are cooking with premium fruit wood blend today. All right, the grill's all preheated, so let's get this turkey on here. All right, he fits in there perfect. We're gonna get the temperature probe in, stick him about 3/4 of the way down in the meat there. All right, let's get this grill closed back up. The temperature of the meat looks like it's about 40 degrees right now, a little lower than I hoped. I was hoping for a little closer to room temperature, but it'll still be okay. So let's get this closed up and let it cook. Okay, the turkey's been on for 2 hours. Temperature is 120 degrees. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, he's starting to cook up real nice now. I think what we're gonna do, just because we want this skin a little more crispy and golden brown if we can get it, we're gonna bump the temperature up a little bit, maybe to 325 or 350 for probably only a half hour or so before he's done. Okay, this turkey's been on 3.5 hours. It is at 165. We're gonna go ahead and get him off. Look at how nice and evenly brown that is. We're gonna let it set for about 20 minutes just to let the juices reabsorb in the meat so it doesn't just all pour out when you first cut it. Okay, so this has been sitting for 20 minutes. I don't know if you can hear that, but that skin is crispy. So let's cut into this, see how nice and juicy it is. Well, the juices aren't running out, but that looks kind of tender, so look at that crispy piece. I'm gonna set that aside right here. Oh yeah, that's juicy. Look at that. If I press that there, look at all those juices. So that's nice, juicy. Let's cut another piece here, see. Oh yeah, I think it's getting even more juicy the more I cut into it here. So the most important thing here, look at that. Look how nice and juicy that is. It's pretty much falling apart. One thing left to do, and that's taste it. All right, let's get a taste here. See, I got a nice piece. Got a little bit of skin, some white meat. Oh, wow. Okay. The seasoning on that skin is pretty amazing. The smoky flavor, you can taste the smoky flavor in the turkey meat. Just amazing. Now, I tasted the white meat. That's really good. But my favorite are the wings and the thighs. So, to be fair, I really got to give this a shot and see. Oh, that's a bomb right there. I really like these wings. So I'm going to go ahead and polish these off. Probably before I'm done cutting the turkey up. I'm going to cut up the rest of this and I'm going to enjoy some of it. I appreciate you tuning in and watching this video. If you make one of these, hope yours turns out as good as mine did. Thanks for watching this video. Please click that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. Have a great day.